These are the Amazon Basics USB plug-and-play computer speakers, and I absolutely love these things. They obviously aren't going to be super powerful like a PA speaker or anything, but they are perfect for a desktop. It's more of a work desk type speaker in my opinion, but they do kick it out pretty good. They're loud enough. Very, very simple to use. Just to show you, got two speakers, weigh about a pound. 4 foot of length in between the two speakers right here. The plug-in cable itself is about 5 foot long. On the cable itself, there's a volume knob right here if you should want to use it. This end has an 1/8 inch or a 3.5 millimeter jack and a USB, and this is just plug and play. You literally just plug it in and it goes. And you can see the lights turn on blue to let you know that it's working. And let's get a little sound test here.
I put the man in the moon. I put the...
We're with you, always.
Engage.
Like I said, they're not PA speakers. They're not for jamming music and big bass. To me, these are perfect work desk speakers. They're just loud enough and not loud enough to get you in trouble. I love them. Amazon Basics USB plug and play speakers.